Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Another happy mail package here. This time from my dear friend Joann, who also has a YouTube channel here as Nikita2471. I was carrying this from our mailbox and it is heavy. So I'm excited to see what she sent me. I have a little suspicion that this is from or items from the library sale that she wanted to share with me. So if you haven't seen that haul that she had shared, make sure to check out her link down below. If you are in any way a book lover, vintage ephemera lover, I mean, there were so many things that she shared in that haul, and she has so many other fun hauls in her channel, so make sure to check it out. Now let's go look in here. She did text me and said to read the letter on camera. Oh my gosh, I see the items in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and I spy the card. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, look at that sticker. I love that sticker. Let me just see what she said. Oh, look at this cute card that she made. I love that she used some paper bag. Adorable sticker with the summer theme. Very cute. And it says just a note. And Clarissa, there's more coming. Oh my gosh, Joann. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So let us pull this aside and we will have a look and see what she sent me. Alright guys, I am going to pull out the first item that comes out is a beautiful map from the Philippines. Oh my gosh. It talks about the archipelago. This is amazing, Joann. I'm going to look at this in just a few. There are, because I know she did say she shared a lot of maps, and I am actually planning on making some fun travel journals. So it is fun to see that she sent a variety here. This is from Britain, but let's have a look and see if there are fun images here. Oh wow. Look at that. That's pretty neat. We have some different structures and maps on there. Let me just take a look at the Philippines. Oh, how cool. Let me just go ahead and there is the map. Oh my gosh. Oh, how beautiful. That is so cool. And then we have some history. I'm going to have to look later on and see what year these maps came out in the National Geographic. 1986, there it is, 1986. And this is from, it doesn't say, or I'm just not seeing it at the moment, but we'll look at that in a few. We'll put that there and take out, there is a lot of stuff here. We have one from France. That is awesome. Look at this illustration. Oh my gosh. And this one actually has a lot of really fun images compared to the other two we just saw. Wow. Look at how many images were included in this particular map. So we'll put that there. We have Europe. Always love that. She had doubles of these, so thank you. And oh my gosh, she gave me Hawaii. I love Hawaii. Hawaii is one of my favorite islands that we love going to during spring break or summer. Oh, how fun. And I love that this one in particular has birds. I love that. And what do we have here? Alpine wildflowers of the Rocky Mountains. That is so cool. Oh, how nice. I love it, Joann. Oh my gosh, this will be fun for a wildflower journal. Here is another one. That is so neat. Look at these flowers. I'm going to definitely read these books too. And these are wonderful resource pieces for the journals. Oh my gosh, she's also shared some beautiful vintage music sheets here. Oh my gosh. Again, wonderful for collaging. I love using music sheets for my collages. Let me just move the camera. It kind of shifted there. There is more. Oh my gosh, it is stuff. What are these? This one says practical music lessons, and this is part 1. Oh, how fun. You can definitely see the age in this. Beautiful book. And then here is the other half. These are ready for junk journaling. This is perfect material for junk journaling. And what else has she added here? Oh, this is so cool. It is a symphonette orchestra composition book. How neat. Look, it was 35 cents. And this is the back with some of the ads. I'm trying to date it and see when it was probably inside. But let us open it up. How beautiful is that green? And this is for clarinet. Actually, I think my husband used to play the clarinet, if I'm not mistaken, but what I know is a flute type instrument. Very nice. And I see the copyright here in Roman numerals. It's 1935. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That is so neat. I love that. And then we have another one here. Achievement folio. Sunday afternoon. I'm going to show my husband this. It's too bad, but we don't have the actual clarinet instrument anymore. I'm sure he left it at his folks' home, 1938. So you notice that it's no longer in Roman numerals and they've changed it to regular just numbers. How cool is that? And oh my gosh, here is one again. I love the graphics and the coloring. Definitely vintage. Also has the name. It used to be Robert's book. 1931. Oh my gosh. Universal March, Dance of the Gnomes by the Brook. Sounds like a fun little booklet there. And what is this? Oh my gosh. She said that there's more, and this is really a lot already, Joanne. Oh my gosh. We have the World Atlas. So I always keep looking for this at our library sales. I've never come across one. Dictionaries. These probably go out real quickly. So I'm so happy you shared this with me. Let's see what is in here. There you go. Oh my gosh. This will be perfect for my travel journals. Oh my gosh. I love the maps. There's the Philippines. We have Malaysia. We have, this is Asia here. Then the Arabians, Saudi Arabia, and all the European, there's Russia. How fun is that? And then we have the United States here. That is so cool. I think I know a lot of people from all over. BB's Closet Creations in New Mexico. I'm trying to think. Who else? A lot in California and just all over. Oh, this is so fun. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Joann. I love it. We'll put that up there. But wait, there is one more big guy in here. Sorry, guys, about the sound. Wow, look at this. Now we have one from Great Britain and Ireland, from Michelin. Oh my gosh, and I love the glossy texture on this because, and look at the size. This is making me really excited. I am so excited to take this apart and make those travel journals. Oh my gosh. Joann, thank you. This was so timely. I'm currently gathering all my maps and other pieces so that I can, start creating and making some fun journals for all of you guys. So I hope you stay tuned. A big thank you to Joann for this wonderful surprise package. I am super excited to get started And I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. Wishing you all a super fun and safe July 4th weekend to everyone that's celebrating. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.